Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Roshi and now I want to talk how to deal with negative energy people or just negative energy attack. When somebody approaching you and it is angry at you, or maybe he wants maybe with some aggression, or somebody is attacking you verbally or energetically, there is a way how you can handle with that. You can do one occult trick how to do it. The same trick you can use if you are dealing with attack of bad energy or some spirit or some other type of energy attack, visible or invisible. Actually, they're all visible, but sometimes people cannot see them, so they get just a feeling, oh, something I feel here, it is wrong. Oh, you can feel you can be a victim of some attack in your meditation. That's also could happen. So, the trick is the same. The occult knowledge tells us that whenever is in the front of us and want to attack us, we can do just like this. What is in front of us, we throw to our back. So, if somebody is yelling at you and want to argue with you, and if it's aggressive or throwing at you bad words, you do all the energy of that person just put above your head and then throw behind your back. You will see that person will start to be calmer and calmer, because intuitively that person will feel that the energy what is throwing at you, that aggressive negative energy, is not stick at you, it just go above you and doesn't harm you. The same way you can deal with the negative energy attack from some source you know or some source you don't know. The minute you feel that you are attacked, again, that energy what is attacking you, just put above your head and throw to your back, and don't turn around and look, just do like this and finish. Sometimes during your meditations, in your visions, you can also have some attack of negative forces, because we live in the world what have dual nature. So we have light and we have darkness, we have cold, we have warm, all our world is made of opposite energy. So of course, if you are meditating on the light or on the God or whatever technique you are using, it is possible that sometimes you will get also energy attack. That looks like this. You are meditating, and then in the dark energy is also very clever and intelligent, and also have different hierarchy of the very strong bad or lower type of bad energy. But if you get attack from the high level of black magic or black energy, dark energy, negative energy, you will get probably very nice vision. You will get like, some holy man approaching you. You will maybe see like Jesus or Buddha, or maybe some Indian god or goddess, whatever, depending on your belief system. Or maybe you can see the angel, shape of angel, or something what you believe that is holy and good. And then when that energy comes in front of you and want to give you blessing, please be very careful. look at the forehead of that holy person and look directly into their eyes. If the light, good white or golden light coming from their eyes and the forehead, that means you really get the divine blessing of some good energy. But if it's some bad energy, just masking and pretending to be good, the bad energy, the dark energy can imitate every shape, but cannot imitate the eyes and the forehead. But if you see the vision of Jesus, Shiva, Buddha, angel, or any other shape of holiness and goodness, please look directly into their eyes and forehead, and if you see light, perfect. That, please open yourself and receive the blessing. But if you see that their eyes are like red or black and there is no light in the forehead, be sure that this is some dark energy what want to harm you, and then again do the same trick. That energy, that vision, just lift up above your head and throw at your back, and then they cannot harm you. So I hope these informations will be helpful in your life, spiritual and material life, and see you soon in next video. Bye bye.